Is my voice clear? Is the screen visible? If yes, do let me know in the chat box. Today we are going to start a new topic, okay? And that new topic is time and work. I'll just wait for a minute. I'll just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us and then I'll start the class. Just a moment. Till then, everyone, please settle on yourself. Use your Bluetooth, headphone, earphone, whatever device you have at your home. And do turn on your videos, beta. What happened, Kahan?
The chat box, ma'am.
Beta?
Ma'am, did you disable the chat box, ma'am?
Yes, beta. Why?
Ma'am, but some students are messaging in the chat box, ma'am.
I asked them to message related with if they can see me or not. They're messaging good evening there. Nothing else. They're not spamming right now. When if they start spamming, I will turn off the chat box. The topic is time and work, dear. Time and work. Topic is time and work. Okay, let's start the class, dear. So let us understand the concept of time and work. So if I talk about time and work, one thing you must always know that more people, less time, less people, more time. For example, if you have to make a wall, okay, you have to build a wall. And if two persons are involved in the building the wall, so two-person might take 5 days. But if 5 persons will be involved, then those 5% will take less than 5 days because more people, less time, less people, more time. Okay, you have to remember this. Now, what else you should remember? You must remember that. कहाँ से दिख रहा है? Okay, just let me draw a line so that it is clear to me from where you can see the board. Oh, this line is enough. Yes, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Huh. Now I think it's good. Even if I draw, just a second here. Even if I draw a line little bit here. Yes, you can see it. Yes. Okay. So, what more thing you have to remember is, beta, that if a person can complete a work in X days, okay, if a person is completing the work in X days, then work. 1 day work of that person is 1 by x. What does this mean? This means that suppose if I tell you that I can build a wall in 10 days. I can build a wall in 10 days. If I can build a wall in 10 days, so in one day, I will build how much wall? I will build 1 upon 10 wall. Okay, always do remember that if a person can complete any work in X days, 1 day, 1 day he will complete 1 upon X work. 1 upon X. Example, A can complete a work in 8 days, suppose. So, 1 day mein how much work will A do? 1 day work of A is equal to 1 upon A. Okay. Because total work was 8. First day mein he will have 1. If I in 2 days, how much work A complete in 2 days? So, if 1 day mein 1 by 8, so 2 days mein 1 by 8 into 2. How much work does A complete in 5 days? 1 by 8 into 5. Okay, always do remember this. Please note this down because I will erase it. I have to write many points. Okay. Yes, Sherlyn.
Formula.
What?
Ma'am, what is the formula of time and work?
Beta, can you see the board? Something is written on the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Only that you have to learn right now, Sherlyn. Yes, Rachna.
Ma'am, you said that 1 by 8 it will come, no, ma'am.
Yes.
That is only answer, ma'am.
Yes. Please don't raise your hand, Beta, if you don't have any particular doubt. Please, it's a request. Yes, Sahil Shabana.
In previous chapters, you have given formula that man 1 day 1 upon week.
That was the chain rule when days, hours, and work is also given. Okay? That was the chain rule there. Yes, Nikum, so quickly ask me. I have to erase the board also.
Ma'am, does that mean 1 day work will be X for
1 day work will not be X beta. 1 day work will be 1 upon X. That is the number of days.
ma'am? So 1 upon X is this X, right?
Yes, beta. Yes, Mansi, quickly.
Gave in assignment section was asked out, ma'am. What that is an assignment or
That's the assignment. Please raise your hand for the doubts only, beta. Hope you must have written it. Now, suppose you have two persons. Person A who can do in the work in X days. Okay. Person B who can do the work in Y days. Okay. X can do a work in X number of days, complete the work in X number of days. B can complete the work in Y number of days if you are asked total work of A and B. Okay, if you are asked total work of A and B, so what you will do? Matlab, total work of A and B will be completed in what days? If number of days is being asked, that if A and B works together, how many days they will take to complete the work? So the short trick is m by n upon my n plus n. This, sorry, it's xy upon my x plus y. Okay, this is the short formula, short trick. If A completes a work in X days, B completes a work in Y days, you are asked to find out that how many days will A and B take to complete the total work. So what you will do? You will do X into Y upon my X plus Y. X into Y upon my X plus Y. For example, A can do a work in 2 days. B can do a work in 3 days. If I ask you that if A plus B work together, A plus B work together in how many days? How many days they will complete it? So there is a traditional method also. You will do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. You will add them, then you will reciprocal. But the short trick says x into y, that is 2 into 3. 6 by 4. Hope you got it there. Hope you got it. This is the formula which you were asking me, ma'am, what's the formula? So if you have to find out the total work of any two person, total work of any two persons, what you will do? You will take the number of days, multiply them, and in denominator, you will add the number of days. Please quickly note this down. Yes, has it?
Again,
Yes, Rita, for sure. Yes, Dipjot. Dipjot, beta, you're not audible to me. You can ask in the chat box. Okay, see. If A can complete a work in X days, B can complete a work in Y days. You are asked that how many days A and B together will take to complete the work. Okay, together how many days they will take to complete the work. So this is the short trick formula. I will tell you the traditional way also, but this is the short trick formula, that is xy upon my x plus y. So if A is taking 2 days to complete a work, B is taking 3 days to complete a work, so you will do 2 into 3 upon me 2 plus 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 plus 3, 5. So 6 by 5 days is your answer. 6 by 5 days is your answer. Yes, Vishal. Quickly, beta.
ma'am, we can rate it in inspections.
Yes, beta, if you want to. Yes, Ziron Thomas.
At the short it, ma'am, has the XY, ma'am. But at the down, ma'am, 2 into 3 has the ma'am. That's confusing, ma'am.
I could not get your doubts properly, dear. Can you please speak again?
Ma'am, in short it has given X and Y, ma'am. But down 2 into 3 has given, ma'am.
Beta, X and Y are the number of days. Okay, X and Y are the number of days that is taken by A and B to complete the work. Okay, A and B to complete the work. That is why X and Y. And now you have only to put the values. Okay,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening, Joe. Yes.
Ma'am, like as you told in the first that if A completes a work in one by X, like in X days, so the day 1 day work will be 1 by X. So, ma'am, if the 3 day works, 3 day, if we ask 3 day work, will it be 3 by X?
Yes.
So, ma'am, as per the number of days, it will be.
Yes, beta. And everyone, when you solve the questions now, you will get to know. When you solve the question, this is only the basic points which I'm making you write. When you solve the questions, you will get to know more. Okay. Acha, let me explain you now. Easy and quick. Suppose if, as I told you, suppose A, please pay attention, everyone. I will explain this only once. Please, no, I will explain this twice. One for the first time and then again. I will explain it only twice. I will not take any hand raises. So please pay attention on the board. Suppose A completes a work in 2 days, as I told you, and B completes the work in 3 days. Okay. A completes a work in 2 days, B completes a work in 3 days. Now, different question we will ask. Different questions we will ask in this. 1 day A's work. Okay. 2 days B's work. 1 day A plus B work. Alag concept we will learn only in this particular single question. Total number of days A plus B will take. Okay, in this particular question only, we will learn 4 different concepts. So please pay attention. If I talk about 1 day A's work, एक दिन में A कितना काम करेगा? How much work will be done by A in 1 day? If A can complete any work in 2 days, 1 day में A will complete 1/2 work. 1 day में A will complete 1/2 work because I know 1 day work is equal to 1 upon total number of days taken to complete the work, right? So 1 day A's work is 1 upon 2 work. If I ask 2 days B work, right? So first I will calculate 1 day B work. एक दिन में B will work how much? So 1/3 because B takes 3 days to complete any work. So 1 day may B will complete 1/3 of the work. But I don't want 1 day work. I want how much? 2 days work. 2 days work of B. So 2 दिन में how much work will be done? 1/3 is for 1 day. Asking for 2 days. So I will multiply it by 2. So 2/3 work will be done in 2 days. Now, 1 day work of A plus B. That means if A and B work together, if A and B works together, how much work will they do in one day? So A will do 1/2 work in one day. B will do 1/1/3 work in one day. Right? In one day, they will do 1/2 and 1/3 work. Together, how much work? So 2 and 3 ka LCM is 6. You will add 1/2 and 1/3. You will get how much? 5/6. You will get 5/6. 5/6 work will be done in one day. Always you remember. 5/6 work will be done in one day by both A and B. Because one day work of A is 1/2, one day work of B is 1/3. So one day work of A plus B is 5/6. Now, if I have to find the total number of days, so I taught you one short trick formula. Na? Short trick formula was what? XY upon X plus Y. So you can calculate. You can calculate what? 2 into 3 and 2 plus 3. That is 6/5 days. But there is one more way to do it. This is the short trick. And one more way to do it. What's that? That is total number of days A and B will take together. You can calculate how you know. So if one day work of A plus B is 5/6, total number of days would be reciprocal of it. Total number of days would be reciprocal of it. So 1/2 plus 1/3. You got 3 plus 2 upon 6. 5/6. This was the one day work of A plus B. Now reciprocal of this will be the number of days they will work together and complete the work. So by two ways you can calculate total number of days. Total number of days. Okay. I'm explaining this for once more. If you get these four questions now, you are sorted for the chapter. Matlab 60 to 70% questions you are sorted. I'm explaining this for the last time. Please pay attention. One day A's work. ये तो बहुत आसान, right? One day's A's work is 1/x. That is 1/2 because A takes 2 days to complete a work. So 1/2 is the answer. Easy and quick. 2 days B's work. One day B work is 1/3. One day B work is 1/3. 2 days B work will be 1/3 into 2. That is 2/3. This is also easy. Now, if I have to calculate one day A plus B's work, one day A plus B's work, so what you will do? One day work of A, that is 1/2. One day work of B, that is 1/3. 1/2 plus 1/3. 3 plus 2 upon with 6. 5/6 is your work that A and B does together in one day. And if you have to calculate total number of days A and B together will take to complete the work, whatever is the one day work of A and B, na beta, just reciprocal it. If one day work of A and B is 5/6, reciprocal it becomes 6/5. It becomes 6/5. Or you can use the short trick that I taught you. XY upon my X plus Y. So X is 2, Y is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 6 plus 5. 6 upon 5. Day is your answer. Quickly take the screenshot. I'm rubbing it. Quickly take that screenshot. I'm going to rub it. Now, in this one question only, we learned four questions, right? Now you all will answer me. Now let me check if you got the things correct or not. A can do a piece of work in 9 days and B can do it in 18 days. If both of them work together, in how many days they complete the work? In how many days they complete the work? Okay. A can do a work in 9 days, B in 18 days. You have to find the total number of days they will take. Okay. 3, 6, 8, 13 and half. And here you go. Answer being 4. Because it is the first question, I'm giving you plenty of time. Though it does not have require lot of time, but still I have given you plenty of time so that more students can answer me. Dipjot, what are you doing there? Okay, Kahan, Akshay, and Monica. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 29 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. Let us see how we will do it. We will use the short trick, right? XY, X plus Y. I will use the short trick. So if XY, that is 9 into 18, and X plus Y, 9 plus 18, right? So 9 into 18 and 9 plus 18 is 27. Now just simplify it. 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. So 6 days is my answer. 6 days is my answer. And this is the short trick in which you can do it. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hands. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hands. Yes, Jayesh Kumar. Beta, be ready with your mic if I'm picking out your name. Yes, Akshay K. Dharmik.
Do as 18 into 9, 162 by 27 and 27, 6 162. We can do like that also, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, you can do like that as well. Yes, Shivansh Reddy. Yuvain, Yuvain, you're not audible. Are you trying to say something? Hey, Bhagwan. Yes, Chirag, stay. Beta, if you don't want to say something, why are you raising your hand? Okay, I'm not going to take any hand raises. Explaining this question once more, please pay attention. A can do a piece of work in 9 days. B can do it in 18 days. If both of them work together, in how many days will they complete the work? So, short trick says xy upon my x plus y. 9 into 18, 9 plus 18. 9 plus 18 is 27, 9 into 18. If you want, you can multiply 9 into 18. But I want to keep my calculation easy, so I did not multiply it. Now, 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 3 1 is 3, and 3 6 are 18. So, 6 days is my answer. Take the screenshot. I'm going to rub it. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Answer me this one. Same question it is. I have just changed the digits. Okay. It is the same question. Answer me quickly, beta. Quickly. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. B can do it in 9 days. Both of them work together. In how many days they complete the work? Let me check. Okay. Bhumika, Swastik, and Omkar. Very good. But only 12 of you have given me the correct answer. Let us see. I will use the short trick formula xy, x plus y. That is 6 into 9, 6 plus 9. So 6 into 9 upon me, 6 plus 9 is how much? It's 15, right? 2 times me. 6 twos are 3, 6 fives are 18, right? 15. So 9 twos are 18 upon 5 days is your answer. I think there was some misprint in the question. All the option must have 5 in the denominator. There must be some misprint in the question. So 18 by 5 days is your answer. 18 upon 5 days is your answer. Yes, Gangi Reddy, the options were wrong, beta. X into y upon me x plus y. So 6 into 9 upon me 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 3 say you can cut 6 also and 15 also. So 6 twos are 3 and 6 twos are 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. You are left with 2 and 9 in the numerator. So 2 into 9, 18. 5 in the denominator. So your answer is 18 by 5, which is option D. 18 by 5, which is option D. Yes, Rachna.
Ma'am, we can't multiply 6 into 9, ma'am.
You can multiply. Okay? Yes, Subha. Subha, you are not audible. Please ask in the chat box. Yes, Zehazel. Beta Zehazel, you are not turning on your mic. Yes, Parthiv. Yes, Parthiv. I don't know why I'm unable to get you. Just a second here. Let me check my device. Okay, I'm assuming that you wanted me to explain this again, so I'm explaining this once for the last time. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. B can do a piece of work in 9 days. Total, they will take 6 into 9 upon 6 plus 9 days. When you solve it, you will get 18 upon 5 days, beta. And this is the basic question here, basic one. Okay, but I have one different type of question for you. A, B, and C can do a work in 4, 6, and 8 days, okay, respectively. Find time they take together to complete the work. Here you have 3 person. So, वो वाला short trick won't work here. 7 by 11 days. Go for the another method that I taught you, beta, because that method will be required in many questions. Okay, go for it. एक minute, let me just first. Hey, Swastik, Harshit, and Subha. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 29 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. Let us see how we'll do it. Let's learn. Okay, see dear. What I told you, we used method, right? We used a short trick method when we had to calculate the total number of days of A and B. Now, if you have to calculate total number of days where the person is more than two, so you won't be able to use that short trick formula. Then you will be doing what? The next process that I taught you, like 1 by A plus 1 by C plus 1 by B, right? 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B, and 1 day work of C. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 8. Adding this, if you know how to add the fraction, it would be easy for you, right? If you know how to add the fraction, it would be easy for you. 4, 6, and 8 ka LCM is 24. 4, 6, 8 ka LCM is 24. 4 में how much you will multiply? You will multiply 6 to get 24. So that's why 6 here in the top. 6 में how much you multiply to get 24? 4. And 8 में how much you multiply to get 24? 3. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3. So this is what? 13 upon 24 is the work done by A, B, and C in 1 day. 1 day they will do this much work, 13 upon 24. If I have to find the total number of days, just reciprocal it. So 13 upon 24 becomes 24 upon 13. Arey? Who is sharing the screen? I can't know, beta. Why are you sharing the screen? मेरे को पता भी नहीं चल रहा from where I do turn it off. Please don't share screen, anyone. So total number of days will be the reciprocal of the work done by A, B, and C in 1 day. So 13 upon 23 ka ulta, which is the reciprocal, becomes 24 upon 13. Now, if you want, you can convert this into what? Into mixed fraction. So you will get 1 whole 11 upon 13 days. 1 whole 11 upon 13 days. Yes, the growth. Harshal,
Ma'am, I can't understand how you simplified last two questions.
beta, this is not the smart board. I could not explain you the last two questions there. Please, you have to watch recordings for it because I just rubbed the question there. Yes, Kahan?
Question, why we can't do 9 into 6 upon my 15? 9 will get 3 times and 15 will get 5 times, and we will multiply 3 into 1 and 3 and 6 into 2 and 5 into 2 is 10, ma'am.
Which question are you talking? Please raise your hand for this question. I'm really sorry. Please again raise your hand, everyone. Please raise your hand if you have problem in this question. Raise your hand only if you have problem in this question. Don't raise your hand for the problems which are already rubbed there. This is not the smart board. I will switch the slides. Shahil Sabana. I'll just wait for 5 seconds after turning on your mic. You are not audible. Chirag K.
Ma'am, in that second step, all 3 came, ma'am. 6 plus 4 plus 3, okay, ma'am.
4 में you will multiply to get 24. 6 में you will get multiply 4 to get 24 and 8 में you multiply 3 to get 24. That's why 3. Yes, Anurag Maji. Beta Anurag, not audible. You haven't turned on the mic. Yes, Parthiv.
Ma'am, you can explain it again.
Okay. Those who want me to explain this again, you will lower down your hands. Yes, Baldev.
Ma'am, I have the problem in the class. Ma'am, when I was taking the class right now, it was saying that Shiromani is presenting and in mid class it is stopping.
Network issue, beta. Yes, Vishal.
Ma'am, in 13 by 24, how we wrote 24 by 13 in total days?
Just reciprocal it. I asked you to reciprocal. I'm explaining this question once more, beta. Everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention, everyone. A, B, C can do a work in 4, 6, and 8 days. Okay? Now, you have to find the time they work together to complete the total work. Okay? Total time they will finish the work. So, you will use the step 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. That means 1 day work of A plus 1 day work of B plus 1 day work of C. 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8. Now you will take the LCM of 4, 6, and 8. So 4, 6, and 8 LCM is 24. 4 में what you will multiply? You will get 24. 6. So write 6 here. 6 में what you will multiply so that you get 24? 4. Write 4 here. 8 में what you will multiply to get 24? 3. Write 3 here. Now just add it. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 30. So 13 upon 24 is the 1 day work. This is 1 day work of A plus B plus C. You have to find the number of days. In order to find the number of days, beta, just reciprocal है. Okay? So 13 by 24 का reciprocal, उल्टा. 24 upon 13. That is 1 whole 11 by 13. 1 whole 11 by 13. Quickly take the screenshot. Yes, Dehazil.
I cannot hear your voice clearly.
Beta, network issue you might be having. Yes, Divjot.
So, ma'am, ma'am, just some questions ago, ma'am, you said my name. Ma'am, did I did something wrong?
I think you were sharing the screen. Yes, Anurag Maji.
So it is coming 1 whole 11 by 13.
Convert the improper fraction into mixed one, beta. Do you know conversion of improper into mixed?
No, ma'am.
Please watch the recordings for it. Recordings are available, and when I revise, I will teach you again. Whatever is the quotient is written in the side, denominator remains the same, remainder is written at the top. Okay? Okay, the next question. Here you go. This question is from RMS, okay? A can do a piece of work. But I'm writing in short, okay? A can do a piece of work in 30 days. B can do the same work in 40 days. Find A plus B will do in how many days? Okay? This is from RMS 2018. 70 days, 17 1 by 4 days, 190 by 7 days, 120 by 7 days. Here you go. I have written the question in short. Today we will be doing easy question. Next day we shall increase our level, okay? Okay, Inika, Shubha, and Swastik. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very smart. Because here I have only two persons, so I will be using the short trick. That is xy, x plus y, right? So xy is 30 into 40 upon me 30 plus 40, right? So it becomes what? 30 into 40 upon me 70. Now, 0 से 0 you can cut, but 7 cannot cut 3, neither it can cut 40, right? Neither it can cut 40. So, what you will do? Multiply 40 into 3, 120 upon 7 days. My answer. 40 into 3, 120 days upon 7 is the answer. What happened, Chirag?
And while you are explaining that it is showing as Shiromani is sharing the screen. Ma'am.
Please don't raise your hand for this, Rita, because while taking the classes, sometimes the teachment does not function properly. Sometimes. I think today is that day. That's why always you can see that someone, Shiromani, is sharing the screen, but actually I'm not sharing any kind of screen. So this one is easy, I guess. I will explain this once more. A 30 days, B 40 days, A plus B how many days? Use the short trick formula, that is x plus x into y upon my x plus y. 30 into 40 upon my 30 plus 40. 0 से 0 cut. 3 into 40, 120, and denominator you have 7. Denominator you have 7. Yes, Aditya Kishore.
Done.
Pardon? I could not get your doubt, dear Aditya. Yes, Arav Sharma.
30 by 40 by 30 plus 40, no ma'am. So answer will come 120 by 7.
Because 3 into 40 is 120, and here only 7 is left, so 7. Yes, Rachna.
How to find? We should do this short trick only, ma'am.
Yes, beta, only this short trick is there. Okay, I'm giving you one more question. And all the question you can find in Bharti publication book if you want to read. Okay. A can do a work in 15 days. B can do the same work in 12 days. How many days they will finish the work working together? 6 2 by 3, 8, 8 1 by 3, 9 3 by 4. And here you go. Quickly. Quickly tell me the answer. Arav, Kirti, and Harshit. Very good, beta. But only 21 of you have given the correct answer. See, we will again use the short trick x, y upon me x plus y, right? 15 into 12 upon me 15 plus 12. 15 into 12 upon me 15 plus 12 is 27. And now you can simplify it. 5 threes are 15, 5 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So you got 20 upon 3. 20 upon 3, when you convert into mixed fraction, you get 6 whole 2 by 3 days. Yes, Anshuman. Anshuman, you are not audible, beta. You have not turned on your mic. Yes, Anurag Maji.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how you do 15 into 12 upon 27.
15 into 12 divided 27 simplified using 3. Everyone please note down your mind. I'm explaining this for the last time. X into y upon me x plus y. 15 into 12 upon me 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 is 27. 3 say you can divide 15 as well as 27. So 15 divided 3 is 5. 27 divided 3 is 9. Again, 9 and 12 can be divided by 3. 9 divided 3 is 3. 12 divided 3 is 4. I'm left with 5 into 4, 20 and 3 in the denominator. So 20 by 3 is my answer. Convert it into mixed fraction. 6 whole 2 by 3 days is your answer. 6 whole 2 by 3 days is your answer. Please take the screenshot there. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone. Thanks for joining me.